Hello, today I'm going to showcase the enrich person from email address action. This is a really useful action for enriching a contact when you only have an email address. So if you see here, the input is an email address. We use our own enrichment provider to be able to find a lot of information about them. And then we return the first name, last name, personal email, and whatever we can find about this person, even like whether they're on Google or Outlook. So let's try it out. I'm going to run it for myself. All I have to do is type in my own email address and we can run this workflow. This one in particular is useful to run in bulk. So for example, after I get my response, you can see I get all of this information, and this is all from just my email. This is really useful where you have a CSV of emails and you want to enrich them. So after a webinar or something along those lines, you can easily import the CSV and run them all at once. If you want to integrate this, you can either integrate it using our API, or you can actually use this workflow inside of Zapier. So in Zapier, when you have if you use the Copy.ai app, you can select this workflow and you can pass in whatever email address. And when it finishes, you can use that output information and send it anywhere you'd like, whether it's, Airtable or your own CRM. Hopefully this makes sense. Thank you very much.